Welcome to Chess Unleashed. My name is Luis Soares, and today we will talk a little bit about this channel. So, first I will talk about me, and then we will talk about the contents of this channel. About me, I am 28 years old and I'm a full-time chess coach. I live at São Miguel. São Miguel is a small island of Azores archipelago. And well, São Miguel is between US and Portugal. So it's a Portuguese island, but it's a very interesting place to live. The landscapes are beautiful, and this is one of the main reasons I don't compete too much. About my level, I am 2000 player, so right now I have 1992, and on the last 10 years I haven't played a lot. So I've already had some good results, winning several international masters, feed masters, national masters. I draw a game against the GM, but of course I have lost some games too, and that's one of the reasons chess is a sport. About my online games, well, right now I have 2346. My highest level was 2495. I compete a lot, probably to compensate the lack of official games. So I have 25,000 games, and I've already played with several notable players. So some of them was Wonderful Time, Benjamin Feingold, Ludwig Hammer, Gotham Chess, Alexandra Botish, and well, I normally play a lot with Nemsko. Nemsko is GM, and the important aren't the results, but the kind of play we do. Because when I play with Nemsko, normally those are very aggressive games because she attacks, I attack, so I enjoy a lot to play with her. About Hikaru Nakamura, of course, I've already played with Nakamura once. I've seen checkmate on 4 moves and he had on 3. It's the story of my life. Of course, I've lost the game. About this channel contents, well, the main goal of this channel is to help you reach your full potential. So this is a channel for all kinds of chess players. This is a channel for beginners, and this is a channel for master experience. I think the word is correct. About the contents, well, we will talk about openings, middle games, end games, and we will talk about the news. For example, right now everyone is talking about Niemann, chess.com, Magnus Carlsen. I don't know what you think about that, but if you want, you can commentate. Chess variants, I like a lot to do physical exercises, so probably we will do some conjunction between chess and sports. So I think this channel will be very interesting if you love chess. About specific materials, on endgames we will see theoretical endgames and practical ones. So the theoretical endgames are Lucena Philidor, opposition triangulation, king and pawn against king, so a lot of different stuff. We will see everything. Okay, about middle game we will work tactical play and positional play. The positional play we will work with exercises and analyzing some of the greatest chess games. Of course, chess games, and we will analyze too some of the greatest chess players. I'm talking about Carlsen, Nakamura, Kasparov, Bobby Fischer, Paul Morphy, Steinitz, Lasker, Alekhine, so Capablanca. So we will talk about Mikhail Tal, of course. We will talk about all of these players. About openings, well, one important thing about the openings is that normally I have several students that don't know what is the ideal opening for them. And well, one hint is that you need first to know yourself. If you're introvert, probably you will use defensive openings. If you're extrovert, if you're creative, you will want to play gambits. So know yourself. If you know yourself, you will find the correct opening for you. Of course, we will talk about everything. So Spanish, Italians, Danish, all kind of gambits, normal ones, strange ones. So we will talk about everything. So I hope you enjoyed this channel, and if you see some value, please like, subscribe, and push the notifications on, and anything, you can always talk with me on chess.com or at YouTube. Nice to meet you, and have a good night. Bye bye.